Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on availability badge on Upwork, right? You have two options right here. When you go to upwork.com, all right, here in the home page, you should be able to see availability badge right here. So you can see, you can go ahead and tap on edit and you'll have the option to set the budget, all right? Another way is just by going to your profile, click on the profile icon right here at the top right, go to your profile, and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, right here in the left pane, you'll be able to see availability badge as well. Just go ahead and click on it. Now, as you can see, the weekly price of the badge may fluctuate, but you can control how many connects are used by simply setting a maximum number you'd like to spend in a week. All right. As you can see here, current price is 14 connects. Well, that means 2 connects will be deducted from your balance every 24 hours to add up to 14 connects for a week. Now, if the badge cost changes while you're using it, you will be charged more connects each day. However, you will never be charged more than the maximum you set. All right, so let's try to go ahead and make it to 14. Then go ahead and turn it on. Click on it, and as you can see, you've added a badge. Clients will see your availability badge on the search results, recommendations, and your profile. Just go ahead and hit on got it. Now, as you can see, I am now available. By simply turning on your availability badge, you're offering clients a strong incentive to check out your profile and increasing your chances of receiving maybe 70% more invites. All right. It's a small but impactful step towards gaining more opportunities and to showcasing your skills. All right. You'll also have the option to turn it off. If you want to, just click on it. And as you can see, you'll be just able to turn it off. Clients can also use an available now filter to see who has the badge on when they're inviting freelancers to submit a proposal, which can show you're ready and eager for new work. All right, I'll show an example. I'm going to log into a business account right here. The ones that are boosted are on top of the list. Now, when we scroll down a bit, as you can see, available badges right here. All right, that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.